Hey there, curious minds. Think you know your general knowledge better than most people? Well, get ready, because we've got 15 exciting questions that will tickle your brain. Choose the right answer before the timer runs out. Let's play. Question 1. What is the capital of the United States? Option A, New York City. Option B, Los Angeles. Option C, Washington, D.C. Option D is Chicago. The correct answer is option C, Washington, D.C. Q2. Who was the first president of the United States? A, Abraham Lincoln. B, Thomas Jefferson. C, George Washington. D, John Adams. The correct answer is option C, George Washington. How many stars are on the U.S. flag? Is it A, 48, B, 49, C, 51, or D, 50? The correct answer is option D, 50. Which planet is known as the red planet? A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, or D, Saturn? The correct answer is option B, Mars.
Question 6. Which ocean is the largest in the world? A, Atlantic Ocean. B, Indian Ocean. C, Arctic Ocean. D, Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Question 7. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A, Vincent van Gogh. B, Pablo Picasso. C, Leonardo da Vinci. D, Michelangelo. The correct answer is option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question 8. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? A, California. B, Florida. C, Texas. D, Nevada. The correct answer is option B, Florida. Question 9. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Option A, gold. Option B, iron. Option C, diamond. Option D, quartz. The correct answer is option C, diamond. Question 10. How many legs does a spider have? Option A, 6. Option B, 8. Option C, 10. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option B, 8. Question 11. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Option A, Pablo Picasso. Option B, Vincent van Gogh. Option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Option D, Michelangelo. The correct answer is option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question 12. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon monoxide. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, hydrogen. The correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question 13. What is the largest organ in the human body? Option A, liver. Option B, lungs. Option C, skin. Option D, heart. The correct answer is option C, skin. Question 14. What is the chemical symbol for water? Option A, O2. Option B, H2. O. Option C, CO2. Option D, HO2. The correct answer is option B, H2O. Question 15. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? Option A, Japan. Option B, China. Option C, India. Option D, Korea. The correct answer is option B, China. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below and challenge your friends too.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brain-boosting fun. See you in the next quiz.